Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here, presenting a very special ride, an icon in the classic car industry, 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1. You heard that beautiful sound coming in. Compliments of a freshly rebuilt, matching numbers 351 Cleveland engine. Dual exhausts. This is a real deal Mustang Mach 1. We have a Marti Report, and that matches line for line of what you see in front of me. Numbers matching engine, transmission, date code correct, rear end. Speaking of that, you can put this baby on the freeway and cruise great. 3.00 gears. Beautiful grabber blue with white interior. Once again, Marti Report matched. A freshly rebuilt engine, new pistons even, compliments of our Cruisin Classics Performance Center. Runs superbly, looks awesome, and with factory air. Once again, Marti Report line by line. Four-speed shifts up and down, not a problem. Not only is it beautiful outside, but interior is spectacular. Center console with the Hurst shifter, the competition shifter. Make sure you go to our website. We have a picture of all the pertinent numbers that coincide with this particular car with the Marti Report and the trim tags. We also have detailed pictures of the undercarriage, the interior. A lot more about the engine is concerned as well. Has the ring blow horn as well, kind of cool. Magna 500s on all fours. Mickey Thompson on all fours, raised white letters, once again, per the Marti Report. This is a real deal car. Shaker hood. Gorgeous, grabber blue, 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1. If you have any questions about this car, please give us a call here at Cruisin Classics. We'll be glad to help out in any way we can. Go to our website at cruisinclassicsinc.com. Check out all the pictures, the video, a very detailed description. Come on in, check it out for yourself. We want you to see it. We want to show it off. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.